Hello everyone, how are you all?
Fine, sir.
As you know, we keep on bringing new activity for the students, right? So in today's class also, we have come with a new activity. So in today's class, what is just gonna happen? Today's class is all about critical thinking class. Today's class is all about critical thinking class. What is just going to happen in today's class? Let me make you understand. A person would be standing here, and a person would be standing here. A person who would be standing here, that person would be speaking negative side of the topic. Means the topic can be given any topic. You are just going to be randomly any topic. You having been made to stand over here. You are just going to be given a task for speaking. Is that clear? And person would be speaking negative side of the topic. He would keep speaking until it gets finished, until I say bounce. When I will say bounce, then that person will stop from speaking and other person will start speaking the positive side of the topic. Any topic can be given, like I'm just gonna give you any topic: father, mother, parents, brother, siblings, or any topic, social media, money, any topic is you are mobile, any topic you are just gonna be given. Having been given any topic, you are just gonna be made to stand here and you would start speaking. A person would start speaking negative side of the topic, and a person would start speaking positive side of the topic. This is an activity which you guys are being made to do for generating more confidence inside of yours, and so that you could see both the side of the topic. You could see both the side of the topic. That is why you are being made to do this kind of activity, and you could be cognizant about both the side of the topic. So that is why we have named this class critical thinking class. To know both the side of the topic, we are just gonna get to know both the side of the topic. And these audience, whosoever they are sitting here, whosoever sitting backside of the class, they all guys are just gonna be cognizant of what? They are gonna be cognizant of both the side of the topic. So now we are gonna see, first of all, who wants to come for the positive side from here. Who wants to come here for the positive side? Are you all ears?
Yes, sir.
Who wants to come here for the positive side? You would like to? Let's give an energetic warm welcome to the one and only Nigam के लिए जोरदार ताली. So guys, let me tell you again disclaimer. When I would be saying bounce, that person would start, that person would stop speaking and other person would start speaking the negative side. If he's just gonna speak the positive side of the topic, the other person would start speaking the negative side of the topic. Would keep speaking. Here you can't squabble, you can't nickel, you can't pettifog, you can't debate. You are not gonna do the debate here. It is just the critical thinking class. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
To say, you would keep putting your point. You would keep speaking your point, your topic, your side. Like you are gonna speak the positive side, then you would keep speaking positive side. And a person who is speaking negative side, he would keep speaking negative side. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So, who from negative side who would like to come? Yes, sir. Let's give an energetic warm welcome to the one. And one more thing, let me make you understand. I would be distracting you. I may be deviating you from your established path. Is
Yes,
that clear? You guys have to see. After that, you have to, having seen their performance, you also have to do in the same way. Is that
Yes,
clear? So I can do anything. I can like for distracting, I can do anything. But you don't have to get distracted. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Is that clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the place where you would be speaking. Is that clear? So now we are just going to start. I would be doing anything, guys, as I have told you that I would be doing. I can do anything. When I would say bounce, then you would stop speaking. Other person would start speaking. Is that clear?
Yes.
So now we are going to start. So the topic name is social media.
Social media.
The topic name is
Social media.
And he's just going to speak positive side, and we're just going to speak next ways of course. And first of all, introduce yourself. Yeah.
So, hello, ladies and gentlemen, and respectful teachers, and all my dear friends. How are you all?
Fine.
This is me, Nigam, in front of you all. Good evening to all. First of all, I would like to thanks to all the viewers, all the spectators, all the audience who all are present here, as well as I would like to thanks both sir, Sanjeev sir and Suraj sir, for giving me their precious and valuable time. So today I am having wonderful session, and my wonderful session name is Critical Thinking Class. So let's get started.
Yeah, you.
So first of all, very special round to my grandest journalism, Malas and super fans as well as myself and Mansa who gave me this role standard. So my name is Sarvan. Today is critical class. It is a task which has given by Suraj sir. It is fantabulous and we got a topic that name is social media as Nikam has said. So let's start.
So yeah, you start speaking next.
So we all know the social media. It can be good and it can be bad also. You know, the social media is social media is becoming the part of our life. We have the people are being addicted of the life. You know, when they are getting up, setting the phone and opening the Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and seeing the chats, seeing the reels. And then it is becoming the addiction of the children also. You know, small.
You know, everybody, ladies and gentlemen, just because of the social media, people are getting famous. If you don't have money, you can educate yourself with the help of social media. If social media is there, if you want to do study in your life, if you want to educate yourself, so properly you can educate yourself in the proper way because there is social media. If social media is there, so you don't have to take any classes. You don't have to go to school. You don't have to go to tuition for taking any type of classes because social media is here. You know, everybody, social media is there. Like so many.
Yeah.
You know, I was saying that it is addiction of the children. You know, when a small child wake up and take the phone and sing the reels and reels, you know, I know it can, by using that, he can become famous. Because, you know, I said in the earlier topics also, and like a coin is having two faces. One is good and one is bad. Like just like in social media, one face is bad and one face is good. So, like, you know, in today's generation, people are using the bad face. They are getting wake up and using on social media for their entertainment only. You know, just because of social media.
You know, ladies and gentlemen, just because of the social media, people are getting famous. People are getting popular. Why? Because of the social media. Because social media is there. So many people are earning money. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, could you just tell me the reason is that social media is there. So many people are earning a lot of money. So many people are making waves.
You know, this type of things are happening in this type of things is happening just because of social media. They're getting wake up and making the reels. You know, I'm saying truly think I'm also a child. Like I'm also 17 years old. I'm also using social media. I'm accounts on Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. You know, I'm also addicted. You know, it is affecting the studies of the child. It is affecting the studies of child. When I, you know, what happened? But you know what happens when you're in studying, you're focusing. Like when notification came, don't hitting the phone.
Bounce.
Yeah.
Uncle and aunties, listen to me carefully and attentively. Because of the social media, people can buy so many things by taking, you know, by being at house, they can buy so many things. They can buy so many shoes. Whatever you want to buy, ladies and gentlemen, you can buy at that time immediately. By being at your house, you can buy so many things. Whatever you want to buy, it means you don't have to waste your time. You don't have to go to market. By being at your house, you don't have to be a lazy listener, talk or intolerance cause potato. By being at your house, you can buy everything. Whatever you want to buy, you can buy at that time. Why? The reason is that our social media is there. So many people are becoming like.
You know, I was saying, you know, I'm saying about the addiction. The children are getting addiction of social media. Now, I know it is good, but it is bad. You know, that means my opponent is saying that by using social media, they're becoming famous. I know they are becoming famous, but in a wrong way. You know, girls are getting fame. Like about small girls are there. Surreptitiously they are making their IDs from their surreptitiously they are making their IDs from their parents and means making the reels, making the IDs, talking to the friends. You know, they are making the BF, they are making the GF. They are making you know, social media only good things are not there. You know, if I am giving an example, in हमारी दुनिया में अच्छी चीजें नहीं है. So many things are there which are bad. Am I saying right? You know, so many things are there which are bad. You know that so many children are there, so many people are there. They are using social media in a bad way.
Bounce.
My dear friends, you know, just because of the social media, just think, your school is closed. Your school is closed. At that time, you can message to your sir. At that time, you can message to your ma'am. And whatever do you have doubt, whatever do you have confusion, whatever do you have problem, you can solve your problem by, you know, messaging to your sir and ma'am.
Yeah.
Just think, just imagine, your school is closed at that time. You don't have to go to school. At that time, you can message to your teacher and you can ask everything. You can ask every doubt. You can ask.
अरे पिंकी से बात
You know, You know, I'm saying one of the bad things of social media. You know, means so many small girls are there. I mean, they're getting addicted of social media and talking to their BF, talking to their GF, and you know, means what happens means they are they're wasting their life in frivolous things. You know, it is the age of studying. You know, like if I will say it is the age of earning the fame. You know, first of all you have to study. First of all you have to clear education. After that you can get the fame. The consider means you are a small child and getting the fame. It's generally what you know what happens. It's generally what happens with the focus on study. It will transform the study to the social medias. I'm saying again and again. You know, if you are having the questions, so like on social media, or like if you're understanding on social media, it will be better if you're learning it in offline classes, not in online classes like in WhatsApp, in Instagram. You're talking to your sir. You know what happens? You're talking to your sir. You're talking to sir in your WhatsApp, in Instagram, and as if it means and notification come and you means convert your mind. Like reels are coming. You know, I'm saying you so many friends are there which are bad also. They can transform you. Means they will say just take intoxicating thing with us, and like we will send out reels, and by sending that reels you will get fame. What they said means they are saying like they take intoxicating, they are taking foo.
You know, ladies and gentlemen, just because of the social media, you can take online classes by being at your house. Just think you are handicapped. My name is also handicapped. My name is also Mr. Handicapped. Just think that you are handicapped. Just think that you are disability. At that time, you don't have to go to school for taking any classes. At that time, by being at your house, ladies and gentlemen, you can take classes. You don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to walk. You don't have to talk. You have to only take classes. So you will go to a school. You don't have to go to school. You have to only, by being at your house, you can take every class. Whatever you want to take, just think one example. Just think, you know, everybody just think that if you have got lost it somewhere else, at that time, if you have mobile phone, at that time, if you have, you know, a smartphone, so you can know the location. You at that time, you can know.
You know, like this kind of, if I will say you something, you know, if I will say you one thing, you know, that's all of practice, you know, if I say one thing, but by watching social media, by seeing social media, this kind of things happens. Oh, you, my God, you, bro, this kind of things happens on social media. You know, he's saying like we can educate ourselves, you know, the thing which is happening, like if on the place of eating, you should eat only. On the place of studying, you should study only. On the place of sleeping, you should sleep only. You should not do everything mixingly. But जहाँ पर जो चीजें उसको वही करना चाहिए. You know what happens? I'm also a child. I'm also using Instagram. I'm also using WhatsApp, Facebook, and etc. Social media channels. And you know what happens? Your focus is not on social media. One day you will study focusedly. Second day you will study focusedly. Third day you will study focusedly. But fourth day you will start making friends. Fifth day you will start making reels. Sixth day you are means getting the GF. Seventh day you are getting the breakup. And eighth day you are saying, oh my God, I'm getting mature in a small age. Now I have to cut my hands.
You know, ladies and gentlemen, just because of the social media, you can make name and your fame. I also come here, like sir is making my video. Why? I will get famous. I will get popular in my life. Why? The reason is that camera is there, social media is there. Because of the social media, we can get famous, and you know we can do so many things of the body, and we can, you know, make name and fame. Just think that if you want to make any GF, if you want to make any BF, by the social media is the best place where you can find so many girls, where you can make so many boyfriend and girlfriend. This is the best way to make, ladies and gentlemen. Why? The reason is that social media is there. You can do so many things, and you can spread your name and fame.
You know, sir, like he's going in the wrong direction. You know, like whatever my companion was saying, I know it was all frivolous. If you would ask to me, if you are making BF, if you are making GF, you are doing the bad. If you are using the bad thing, you are using social media in a bad way. Say frivolous, you are means wasting your time. Why? Because you are in this age. You should have the focus on. In this age, you should have the focus on studies. You know what happens? The children are seeing the reels. The mother is seeing the reels. The father is seeing the reels. The grandfather, everyone is seeing the reels. किसी के पास time नहीं है family के लिए. Everyone is seeing only reels. You
know, ladies and gentlemen, the social media is the best way to educate yourself. yourself is the best way. Translate your life into good life. If you have bad life, so you can translate your life into good life. The reason is that social media is there. You don't have to go for taking subject class. You don't have to go for taking English class, ladies and gentlemen. Why? Because social media is there. You can learn so many things with the help of social media. You know, everybody, because we all are getting famous. Our institute is getting famous day by day. Why? Because of the social media. Because on the social media, our YouTube channel is there on the social media. Because of the social media, our institute is getting famous day by day. Why? The reason is that social media is there, network is there, technology is there, social media, because of the social media. And you know, everybody, about AI. If I talk about AI,
I'm saying about the frivolous. You're wasting your frivolous. You know, social media is not properly bad and not properly good. If you are using it in a bad way, so it will convert your life in a bad way. If you are using it in a good way, it will convert you in a good way. And in this generation, no one is using social media in a good way. If I was, if you will see the IDs, Addu defaulter. What is this? Like in a small, like Addu defaulter. Means so many gangsters are there. They are making the gangster. They are making the gangs on the social media. They are making means frivolous thing in the social media. Means they are stalking a girl on a social media. Means like she's seeing only the eyes of girls on a social media, eyes of boy on the social media.
my bhaiya and bhabhi, I would like to speak one point. You know, that is very indispensable, that is very vital, that is very essential, that is very important for you all, everybody. Are you all excited for listening to me? Hello? Are you all excited for listening to me or not? How to earn money? You know, everybody, the best way to earn money, that is our social media. Because your social media is there by which you can earn a lot of money. You will make reels in the YouTube, in the Instagram. By that, you can earn a lot of money. And by that, you can get famous. You can do so many things. By that, you can become more rich person in your life. The reason is that your social media is there. How to earn money? You will make one video on the YouTube and they will observe your video. They will watch your video. At that time, everybody, you will get a lot of money. By being at your house, you can earn money. Why? Because our social media is there. YouTube is there. Google is there. WhatsApp is there. You can earn a lot of money in your life. Ladies and gentlemen, that's why I would like to say to you all that the best way to earn money, that is social media. By social media,
you know, there are so many dark things also for defeating me. You know, I am saying, about if it is a serious matter of the youth. I'm not joking. In this time, about our India, about our whole world, all the children are there, 14 years, of 15 years, of 16 years, of 13 years, of 12 years, of 11 years, they are getting addicted for the dark webs. They are getting the porn addictions. They are getting the porn addictions. You know, I mean, they are only seeing the videos of girls. They are only seeing the videos of that all things.
That's great.
You know, if I will say one thing, if you means showing your body part is becoming a famous
body part.
You know, it happens. Like, just tell me who is like which girl is there on Instagram who doesn't do this all thing. They're getting how they're getting he saying sir, but using social media you can earn money. How they're earning money? By showing their body parts. Not everyone is doing that all things. By uploading the education video. All are not just like student cases that they are trying to educate yourself. All are not just like student history. There are so many bad things. The dark webs are also there. The porn addiction is also there. The bad girls are also there, which are trying to addict you. I mean, they means posting their videos and you're liking, you're following, and getting and means giving fame to them. How it is not a fame, sir. It is the addiction of porn. It is the addiction of dark webs, and the boys and the girls are addicted. If he's saying like it is the famous, so I will say
one thing I would like to add. He's saying right as well. Like people are getting trapped. People are unable to do something. People are unable to become something in their life because they are getting trapped. That's what you want.
Yes, sir.
But I don't know how much it is true, how much it is fake.
You know, sir, there are so many things. You know, sir,
becoming successful or not, I don't know exactly.
You know, sir, if I will tell the ratio, you know, by using the social media, our India's population, our India's economy is decreasing day by. Why the India ban the TikTok? Just tell me all. Why the India ban the TikTok? Because the get addicted to TikTok. They are whole day making TikToks.
Oh.
Government ने देखा सारे अब TikTok बना रहे हैं, मेरी इकोनॉमी का क्या हो रहा है, बंद करो यार इसे. He's like becoming fame. Oh my God, just shit, bro. You know about all things. The social media is a trap, which is trying to trap you. There, you know, so many boys are there, so many girls are there. They are making a fake ID and trapping you. You know, it happens with me also. The girls are making the wrong IDs and trapping me. It happens and it is bad.
My bhaiya and bhavi, I have a lots of money. You all can watch everybody. I have a lots of money. How I became a rich person because of the social media. Because social media is there, I have a lots of money. I have 1 lakh. You know everybody, ladies and gentlemen, I have 1 lakh. You can see. You all can see that I have money. How did I become rich?
30,000, bro.
How did I become rich? Could you just tell me, everybody, how did I become rich person?
30,000.
Because of the social media. First of all, listen to me carefully and attentively. You know, everybody, I used to, you know, everybody, how big I am very rich. Why? The reason is that I have a lots of money. Why? The reason is that you know, everybody.
Yo, let's just
You know,
say.
everybody, because of the money, I am earning a lots of money. Because of the social media, I am earning a lot of money. I am very rich. All people know me. Why? I have a lots of money. You all can see, everybody. Why? I used to download videos on the YouTube. I used to upload it so many videos on the YouTube. Because of the social media, I am very rich. All people know me. All people know me. That's who am I. My name is Nigam and my YouTube is on the YouTube channel. And you all know everybody about me. I am very famous and popular person. Why? Because of social media, I have money. I have leg. I have whole body parts. Why, ladies and gentlemen? Because of the social media, I am very rich. I have 5 knockers. I have 5 servants in my house. At my house, there are 5 servants. Because I am a money. Because you know everybody, because of the social media, I am very rich. I am becoming rich. I am getting rich day by day. Why, ladies and gentlemen? Because of the social media.
Bounce.
You know, about all the people, I want to ask him like what is his YouTube channel. It doesn't happen. You know, a person who is dedicated to his aim, who is dedicated to his goal, he can only earn the money from the social media. Today's youth is not dedicated. Today's youth is not dedicated to their goal, to their aim. They are making only frivolous videos. You know, we can search in the YouTube channel. जैसे Minecraft की वीडियोस आ रही है, Free Fire की वीडियोस आ रही है, BGMI की वीडियोस आ रही है. What kind of frivolous things are there? I mean, there's only 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours on BGMI, Free Fire, PUBG. What this all things are? What this all things are? Means that if you will ask to me the real survey, the real data of India, you can ask. You can see on the official website of India that the youth is only India's youth is only for
Bounce.
You know, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. You have been the greatest people and you will get back to your audience of my day. See you tomorrow at the same time. Have a nice day, everybody. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, you both yeah. Guys, clap for both of them. They both had spoken in a marvelous way, in a spectacular way, in a explanatory way. The way they both came, the way they both expounded the things about the social media, it was literally fabulous. And I want that you all to participate and speak in a better than them. Speak better than them. Is that clear? Yes. So भाई clap एक बार जोरदार तालियां दोनों के लिए.
हल्का लाइट